Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Today we will learn about a topic length, which is multiplication of unit of length. Okay, make sure you remember the relationship between unit of length. Remember this formula, kami murid cemerlang matematik. Let's look at the first question. 6 times 2.8 cm. The answer in cm. Okay. For this question, we no need convert the unit because both in cm. Okay, we just solve the question using the standard written method. Terus dia buat bentuk lazim. 2.8 times 6. Okay, 8 times 6 equal to 48. 2 times 6 equal to 12. 12 plus 4 equal to 16. Okay, don't forget to write down the decimal place. Okay, the decimal point. The question 1 decimal place, so the answer also 1 decimal place. And last one, don't forget to write down the unit. Okay, so the answer is 16.8 cm. Okay, second question, 14 times 1.9 cm. The answer in mm. So for this question, we solve the question first. After you got the answer, you convert into mm. Okay, for this question, we can solve using standard written method or lattice. But for this question, I show you how to solve using standard written method. Okay, first write down 1.9 times 14. Okay, we need to times 4 first. Okay, 9 times 4 equal to 36. 36. Okay. 1 times 4 equal to 4. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Okay, now we times 1. 9 times 1 equal to 9. 1 times 1 equal to 1. So we add 6. 7 plus 9 equal to 16. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, look, we have 1 decimal place, so the answer also 1 decimal place. Okay, so you got 26.6 cm. Okay, cm. So how to convert cm to mm? Look at the formula. Cm convert to mm, we need to times 10. So 26.6 times 10. So you got the answer. Okay, how to solve? Remember, if we times, we need to move the decimal point to the right. Okay, we have 1 0. So we need to move the decimal point 1 step to the right. So you got the answer 266 mm. Okay, now we look at the third question. 25 times 7.44 m. The answer in km. So we use the standard written method also. 7.44 times 25. Okay, 4 times 5 equal to 20. 4 times 4 times 5 equal to 20 plus 2. You got 22. 7 times 5 equal to 35. 35 plus 2 equal to 37. Okay, now we times 2. 4 times 2 equal to 8. 4 times 2 equal to 8. 7 times 2 equal to 14. Now we add 0, 10, 16, 8, 1. Okay, remember we have 2 decimal place. So the answer also 2 decimal place. You put here and you count. 1, 2. So here you put the decimal point. Okay, now this answer in m. So we need to convert m to km. We need to divide by 1000. So 186 m divide 1000. So remember, if we divide, we need to move to the left. Okay, we have 30. So we need to move the decimal point 3 steps to the left. If we don't have the decimal point, you put the decimal point at the end of the number, hujung sekali. So now we move the decimal point 3 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3. So you put the decimal point there. So you got 0.186 km. Remember, you must write the unit at the end of the answer. Okay? Okay, next question. We read the question. 56 times 7 and 3/4m equal to cm. Okay, now we solve this question first. Okay, look. This is mixed number. So, we can convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So, how we want to convert the mixed number into improper fraction? So, we need to times and plus. Okay, 4 times 7 equal to 28. 28 plus 3 equal to 31. So, you got 31 over 4. 31 over 4. Now, we can solve 56 times 31 over 4. Okay, now we can do a cancellation. Okay, 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. 56 divided by 4, you got 14. So 14 times 31, you solve using standard written method, like this. Okay, so you got the answer after you buat ni, untuk lazim ni, you got 434 m. You got 434 m. So now we want to convert m into cm. Look at the formula. M into cm, we need to times 100. Okay, so you write down 434 times 100. So if we times 100, we just add 20 at the end of the number. So 43400. Like this, 43,400 cm. The answer is 43,400 cm. Okay. Sebenarnya ada dua cara. Ini cara yang pertama. Nanti soalan seterusnya cikgu tunjuk cara yang kedua. Kalau ada mixed number, how to solve the question. Okay. Okay, next question. Read the question. 10 times 2.735 km. The answer in m. So we solve this first. Solve the question first. After you got the answer, you convert into m. Okay, now look. Okay. Copy the question. Okay, look. We have 10. Okay. If we times 10, we need move the decimal point to the right. So we move one step to the right. So you got the answer 27.35 km. Now we want to convert km to m. We need to times 1000. So 1000 have 3 zeros. So we need to move 3 steps to the right. So you see this you have one empty space. So you need to fill it with 0. So you got the answer 27350 m. 27,350 m. Okay, next question. Okay, 10 times 1/4m equal to cm. Okay, now look, we have fraction 1/4. 1/4 we can convert into decimal number. 1/4m equal to 0.25 m. Okay, now we can solve 10 times 0.25. So we have 1 0. So we can move the decimal point one step to the right. So you got the answer 2.5 m. Now we can convert. We can convert 2.5 m into cm. Okay, how to convert m to cm? We need to times 100. So we move the decimal point 2 steps to the right because we have 2 0. Okay, so you got the answer 250 cm. Okay, senang je kan? Boleh buat. Okay, next question. 100 times 48 and 1/2m and the answer in km. Okay, Look, we have mixed number. Okay, soalan sebelum ni, mixed number ni, cikgu convert into improper fraction. Ya, cikgu convert into improper fraction. But for this question, I want convert this mixed number into decimal number. So you must remember, 1/2 equal to, siapa ingat? 1/2 equal to? Betul, pandai. Cikgu tahu awak tahu. 1/2 equal to 0.5. So, 1/2m equal to 0.5 m. So, 48 and 1/2m equal to 48.5 m. So, we can solve this question. 100 times 48.5. So, we have 2 0. So, we can move the decimal point 2 steps to the right. 2 steps to the right. So, you got the answer 4850. 4,850 m. So, now we need to convert this into km. So, how to convert m to km? We need to divide by 1000. So, remember, if divide, we need move the decimal point to the left. We have 3 0, so we need move the decimal point 3 steps to the left. We don't have decimal point. You put the decimal point at the end of the number. You put here. Okay. Now you move the decimal point. So you got the answer 4.850 km, or you can write down like this, 4.85 km. Okay, next question. 1000 times 19 and 4/5 cm, and the answer in m. Okay, look, this is this is mixed number. Okay, for this question, I want to convert into decimal number. Okay, so you must remember 4/5 cm equal to 0.8 cm. So 19 and 4/5 cm equal to 19.8 cm. Okay, now we times with 1000. 1000 times 19.8 cm. So we have 3 0. Okay, so we move the decimal point 3 steps to the right. Okay, so you got the answer 19,800 cm. Okay, now look, cm convert to m, we need to divide by 100. Okay, so we divide 19,800 divide 100. So if divide, we move the decimal point to the left. How many steps? 2 steps. If we don't have the decimal point, you put the decimal point at the end of the numbers. Okay, now we have 2 zeros, so we move 2 steps to the left. So you got the answer is 198 m. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Happy learning, guys. Bye.